Okay, now in this video, we'll be looking at solving fractions, and the focus will be primarily on utilizing the calculator to solve these questions. Now, I'm trying to make sure that you are able to follow, and I do apologize that I have all of these questions like this. In the future videos that I actually work, I'll try and ensure that it's one question that appears on each sheet. So using the calculator to solve fractions, I think many of you would find it to be very comforting because it takes away a lot of the stress when it comes to actually solving these questions. So the first question we actually have here, we have 17 divided by 24 plus 29 divided by 36. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm just focused on solving for the answer. I'm not going to go through much working. It's basically for you to understand that you can use your calculator to solve these questions. So I must make this a little bit thin. I don't like it so like the way that it's looking right now. Okay, so that should be good. Just check this quick. All right, and we have equal. Great, that's better. So we're actually focused primarily on this key that or let's say button that my pointer is over. You see A, B over C. That's our main focus on actually using our calculator to solve fractions. So we'll enter 17, then we're going to tap ABC. And if you look here, you'll see that you actually have a little bit of a, all right, I don't want to say that. Just a little 90-degree angle there. So we have 17 divided by 24. Then we're going to do addition, and we're going to do 29, and we're going to tap ABC again, and we do 36. And then we tap the equal sign. Now reading this here is very important. The first, from the left side, the first one that you actually have there, that's your whole number. So that's 1. The 37, that second, that is your numerator. So we do 37. And then at the bottom here, or the last one, we have 72. So just a reminder, whichever is first, and notice, let me break this down a little bit better. All right, 72 is in the denominator's position. 37 is in the numerator's position. So that's your normal fraction. And then you have after that, that's your whole number. So if it is that you're going to have a hard time remembering, I would suggest that you use that approach. So what I'll do now is I'll answer the next question and we'll use that approach to actually solve, write our answer. So we're going to have 19, then we're going to tap ABC, 25, and we're going to subtract 13, ABC, 40, and then we do equal. So in this case, let's just draw our division line, and we notice we have 200. That's to the right. That's in our denominator position, so we put 200. Then we have 87 after the 90-degree indicator that we have there, so we just put that in the numerator position, and we're done. Okay, so that's 2 questions done already. So let's move on to the next one. So in this case, we have 14. Now we're going to tap ABC, and we're going to enter 21. Notice this time it's multiplication, so we tap the multiplication button, and we tap 33, and we do ABC 49, and that's equal. So draw our division line there. So we have 49, so we put that at the bottom, since that's the one to the far right. And then notice we have our indicator here, and we put 22 in the numerator position. And that's it. So, wait, did I miss any? Just make sure. No, good. So now we have 45, tap our ABC, 56, division sign, 27, ABC, 35 equal. And notice here now we have three numbers appearing. So let's just draw or a line there. So now we have at the far right 24, so that's in the denominator's position. Then we have 1 in the numerator position. And then we have 1 that we're going to put as a whole number. So like I'm saying, you need to get familiar with actually how these solutions are given to you on the calculator. And that's why I'm emphasizing that practice is done so that you're more familiar or you become familiar with what it is you're actually seeing. So the next question, we have 7 or divided by 15. So we tap ABC, 15. Operation is addition. Then we have 11. Sorry about that. Let's do that over. 11. And we do ABC, 20. And this case, notice again, we have 3 digits we need to work with. After drawing our division line there, we have 60 in the denominator position. 1 is in the numerator, and 1 is in our whole number position. Okay, so we're moving along a little bit quick, and I hope you're recognizing how helpful using your calculator can be when it comes to solving fractions. All right, so the next question being 35, ABC, 48, and then we're going to subtract 29, ABC, 72, and this answer here is drawing our division line, 144 in the denominator position and 47 in the numerator position. All right, so we are here now. So what we have is 16, we tap our ABC, 45 multiplied by 27, ABC, 32, and this is going to give us 3 over 10. So notice how I actually just set it there. I just wrote the numerator first and the denominator second. Now it's good that what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to become more familiar. So sometimes I would probably just say it like I just did with numerator and then denominator. Sometimes say whole number, numerator, denominator, but it's a pattern. What it is for you now is for you to actually find which pattern you're most comfortable in actually working with. However, when we get to class, we'll actually discuss that a little bit more. So let's move on to the next question here, where we have 72. We tap our ABC, 99. So we press DEL here, so we got rid of that extra 9. Divided by 48, ABC, 63. And what this gives us is 21 over 22. So let's now go down. Oh, that's the first page. All right, so which number are we at? We're number 9. All right, so next question. So notice in this one, we actually have 3 fractions we need to work with, and they're all being added. So let's begin. 5, ABC 12, plus 9, ABC 16, plus 7, ABC 18. And what this gives me, all right, let me just check that I have everything here right. So I have 5 divided by 12 plus 9 divided by 16 plus 7 divided by 18. Okay, and the answer I have here is 1 and 53 over 144. Now, notice that you have an arrow on your calculator there, so if you tap that, it actually goes through what you entered on it. So here we have our 18, then we have our 7, 16 and 9, 12 and 5. Good, so our answer, 1 and 53 divided by 144. Okay, so Let's go into our next question here now. So we have 9, we tap our ABC, 14, minus 5, we tap our ABC, 21, minus 11, ABC, 42. And in this case, like before, we just draw our line. We know that to our far right, that's our denominator. And then what we have will be in the numerator position since it's just 2 digits. Okay, so next question here. We have 13 divided by 18. So we tap our ABC and we put 18 afterwards. Multiply 27. We tap our ABC, 32, equal. And this is going to give me, drawing our divisor line, 64, denominator position, and 39 in the numerator position. Okay, next we have 40. We tap our ABC, 49. We're dividing by 28. We tap our ABC since we're dividing, 35. And this is going to give me, so let's do it another way now. So to the far right, we have our denominator, which is 49. What comes after that, or should before that, is 1. And then we have 1 in the whole number position. Good. So we're now on into the question that looks more like a CXC question. So what we have is 4. We're going to tap ABC, 5, ABC, 6. And then we're going to do add. So if you look here, we have 4 as a whole number, 5 as a numerator, and 6 as a denominator. So it's the same thing that we say we would have in our solutions when we have the mixed fractions. It comes back here, and all you have to do is just enter it as it is, but after each part of the mixed fraction, you have to tap your ABC. So let's do the next part now where we have 3. So we're going to tap ABC, then we have 2, ABC, 9. So we just enter the second fraction we have there, so we do addition, then we do 2, ABC, 3, ABC, 5, and our answer here, so let's practice it the way that you should actually do it. So 10 being the whole number, we know that 59 is a numerator and 90 is a denominator. And that's the way that you should practice actually having this done. Okay. Or how you should actually read it out from your calculator. So next we have 7 and 4/5. So 7, ABC 4, ABC 5. Subtracting 5, ABC 7, ABC 12. And what we have here is 2 and 13 divided by 60. Okay, so we're now here. We have multiplication. So we have 11, ABC 16, multiplied by 24, ABC 35, multiplied by 9, ABC 14. And this is going to give me 297 divided by 980. Now at this point you should realize the reason why I gave you these questions is because for you to sit and actually work these out, it would have been very challenging. So that's why I said using a calculator to solve these questions. Okay, so let's move on. We're almost finished. So this question now is 36 divided by 49. So ABC, 49. Then we do division of 18 being divided. So I tap my ABC, 28, which is now divided by 45, ABC, 56. And this answer here is 1 and 19 over 45. Okay then, so we are here. So we have 5 as a whole number. We tap ABC, 2, ABC, 7. So that's our first fraction. So we press our addition sign. Then we have 3, ABC, 5, ABC, 9, addition sign. Then we have 2, ABC, 3, ABC, 4, equal sign. And this gives us 11 and 149 divided by 252. Okay, so we just have a few more to go. All right, so next one we have 8 and 1 6. So ABC 1, ABC 6, minus 4, ABC 7, ABC 9, minus 2, ABC 2, ABC 3, and this leaves me with 13 being divided by 18. Okay, so last two. So we have 3.5. So 3, ABC 1, ABC 2, ABC 2, multiplied by 2, ABC 3, ABC 5, and this here. Okay, let me just make sure that I have this entered correct. So 3, ABC 1, ABC 2, multiplied by 2, ABC 3, ABC 5. This is going to give me 9 and 1 over 10. And now for the last question that I actually have here. Yes, so for the last question, we have 5, ABC1, ABC4. And then we have division of 2, tap ABC, 7, ABC8. And this gives me the answer of 1 and 19 over 23. All right, so that they would be all the questions that were just answered using the calculator. And during this time, I actually did my best to explain it to you, how you can actually go about just entering it and how you can actually read it off, either starting from the whole number part or the denominator part, or in some cases, the numerator part. It just takes practice. So expect more practice questions to be given to you in terms of solving uh, fractions. And I encourage you to use your calculator to solve these questions so you're more comfortable working with your calculator. So going forward, everyone should have their own calculator so that when we actually work in class or you have to work these homework questions, you just have your calculator ready and you just get ready to solve. Now with that being said, I hope this video has found you well and do enjoy the remainder of your day.